Okay, so having learned how to convert from minute to second, let's quickly reconvert that second to that minute instead of asking new question. Okay guys, let's go. If we are to reconvert, it means what you should be doing there is, okay, like look at this. Convert 1800 seconds to minute. Now, what do? Still follow the preliminary step, which involves writing 60 seconds to give you 1 minute. Is that clear now? You have already known that one, that 60 seconds make 1 minute, 60 minutes make 1 hour. You see? So now, the first thing to consider there is the direction of your question. The direction of this question now is from second to minutes. So in this case, we still write this 60 seconds to give us 1 minute, so that our solution becomes 60 seconds makes 1 minute, so that 1800 seconds makes unknown minutes. We don't know the number of minutes in 1800 seconds, and that's what we are meant to solve for. Okay, now do what? Cross multiplication. You see, and you see, so that 60 seconds will be multiplying this x. You see the direction? 60 seconds times x minutes will give you 60 seconds times x minutes equal to 1800 seconds will be multiplying 1 minute. You have 1800 times, okay, seconds times 1 minute. Good. Make x minutes the subject of the formula by dividing both sides. Dividing both sides, that is the right hand side and the left hand side, by the coefficient of this x, which is what? 1000, which is what? 60 seconds. All over 60 seconds. All over 60 seconds. So that 60 seconds against 60 seconds is 1. Then what you will be left with here is x minutes. X what? Minute. Your second cannot divide minutes. Is that clear now? Now, so that second will go against second, you now have 1800 and 1 minute, which means minute, which is what you are looking for, is what that will be left here. Is that clear now? So 1800 divided by 60 will give you what? Let this 0 cancel this 0. So you will have 180 over 6. What is common between 180 and the 6? What's the common factor? 2 is a common factor there. 3 is a common factor there. Even 6 itself is a common factor, because if 6 cancels itself, it will give you 1. Cancel 18 here, it will give you what? 3. And cancel 0 is 0, which is 30 seconds. 30 minutes. Then so that 30 times 1 minute will give you 30 minutes. So we have reconverted that. We have reconverted that 1800 seconds back to that minute. Is that clear now? Therefore 1800 seconds equal to 30 minutes. So 1800 seconds give us 30 minutes. Is that clear now? And this becomes your answer. This is x. X is equal to 30 minutes. That's your answer, guys. Okay. Let's quickly convert from minutes to hour. To convert from minute to hour, you follow same procedure. Now, for example, if I say convert 24 hours, which is 1 day. Okay, guys, if I say how many minutes are there in 1 day, in a day? How many minutes are there in 1 day? How many minutes? Solution to your problem. The first thing to note there is you should ask yourself how many hours are in one. At least the one we know is standard. That's the first place to start. How many hours are there in 1 day? That's the first question to ask yourself. So, and you know that it is 24 hours. 24 hours make 1 day. Then you write 24 hours make 1 day. Are you getting it now? Then before you now say, okay, before you now consider your preliminaries, when you come here now, since you have known that you are dealing with hour now and the minutes, do you understand? Because what we are asking is minutes. How many minutes? That's from hour to minute now. I know that 24 hours make 1 day. Then what you will do is you just come here and write 60 minutes make 1 hour. Okay, now you write unknown minutes. You have not known the number of minutes that are in 1 day that will give you these 24 hours. You see, you have not known the number of days minutes that will give you these 24 hours, which is 1 day. Then you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, what you have here is x times 1 hour will give you x minutes times 1 hour. Is that clear? Equal to 60 minutes times 24 hours. 60 minutes times 24 hours. Now, make x the subject of the formula. And in making x the subject of formula, you have to divide both sides, the left-hand side and the right-hand side, by the coefficient of x. And the coefficient of x here is 1 hour. 1 hour. Is that clear? Which means all over 1 hour equal to, that is all over 1 hour. So that 1 hour against 1 hour, x minutes will be left here, and 1 hour will divide this 24 hours. Hour will go, remaining only 24, and this 60 minutes, since hour cannot divide minute. Is that clear now? You see, if the minute is already there now. Good. Now, you now say